Welcome to the Invensys Controls training video on the Paragon Universal Defrost Timer, or UDT. The Paragon Universal Defrost Timers are the only multi-voltage defrost timers engineered to refrigeration standards. The mechanical timers from Paragon have 12 different model numbers. Now, with one UDT, you can manage almost any defrost application. One model features voltages of 120, 208, and 240 volts AC. This is a key benefit for contractors who can now carry fewer parts on their trucks. Where is the UDT used? The UDT is primarily used in commercial refrigeration applications to protect the system from the buildup of unwanted ice. By minimizing the ice buildup, the timer can help protect the heart of the compressor system. It also helps reduce energy usage and cost. What does a defrost timer do? In a time-terminated defrost, the timer shuts off the compressor long enough to permit ice and frost accumulation on an evaporator to melt. In temperature or pressure-terminated defrost, the timer utilizes sensors to determine when the system reaches a defrost termination point. The features of the UDT include easy installation, simple intuitive programming, multiple input voltages with no jumpers or pins to lose, and 100 hours of backup memory storage in the event of a power outage. Why is Paragon important to your customers? The UDT meets UL 873 standards for temperature regulating devices. This requires that the control undergo life tests of 30,000 cycles at temperature extremes. Competitive offerings are certified to UL 917 standards for clock-operated switches rated to only 6,000 cycles. At 4 defrosts a day, the Paragon Universal Defrost Timer switches are built to last 16 years longer than the competition. What does it take to install a UDT? There is physical installation, electrical wiring, and simple programming. Physical installation is easy. 1. Turn off the power. 2. Disconnect and remove all the wires from the existing timer, keeping track of the terminal letters and the wire colors as you will need these later. 3. Pull the timer out of its enclosure. It is important to note at this point that the UDT is designed to fit into retrofit Paragon enclosures. 4. Insert the new timer into the box. Match the tabs into the holes on the box, including the latch tab. 5. Using your pre-labeled wires, connect the wires to new timer as shown in the wiring diagrams. 6. Rewire per the drawings. And 7. Turn the power back on. You are now ready to program your UDT. The time segments of the display are represented in 15-minute increments. The black sections represent night, the white sections represent day. Now let's start by setting the clock. To set the clock, rotate the adjust knob until the cursor is at the present time. Then press the Set Time button. It's as simple as that. Now let's set the defrost time. Rotate the adjust knob until the cursor is at the desired defrost start time. Press the defrost start button. Then move the cursor to the desired stop defrost time. Press the defrost stop button. That's it, you're done. You'll know it's set because a black bar will appear on the screen. To clear defrost times, rotate the adjust knob until the cursor is at the defrost start time, and then press the clear button. In cases where you want instantaneous defrost initiation, press the manual defrost button. This can be used, for example, when a service person wants to turn the defrost on immediately without any programming. Just press the manual defrost button. This will initiate a defrost for 15 minutes. To completely reset the UDT, you can press all 4 buttons at the same time, including the manual defrost button at the top. For troubleshooting, we offer the following suggestions. Reference the installation manual, check out the wiring diagrams, or consult our websites at www.uni-line.com or www.invensyscontrols.com. To recap, one UDT replaces up to 12 different electromechanical models. It meets the rigid UL 873 commercial refrigeration standard with an all-in-one easy-to-use interface. Just a few more reasons why Paragon is the premier defrost timer in the industry for over 100 years. The Paragon Universal Defrost Timer is just another example of innovation you can expect from Invensys Controls. A product with uncompromising quality and technology innovation.